This video will push you forward. You can learn from this story. You can learn English with me. I live in a small village. I decided to go to the city. The city is big. My friend lives there. We go to the city by train. I take my laptop and phone. I am new in the city. I don't know people in the city. I want to improve my English. I found a free online English class. I met my teacher. His name is Shalu. She is kind and funny. She speaks politely. We sit together in front of camera. I speak English fluently. I feel happy. I go to class daily. The sun is shining. I will start my job for next month. Radha tells us to talk in pairs. We speak to a student from London. His name is Lito. Lito works an office as an executive manager. He says hi, but we were shy the first day. But now we feel good. We speak with many people. I tell him to speak louder. I meet the manager. She speaks very well. I say hello. I am Kavya. Nice to meet you. Can I help? She says yes. I want tea and a sandwich. My teacher was right. I finish work in the evening. I feel tired, but I feel proud. I speak English for many hours today. I speak with team members. I go to class the next day. I tell my teacher about my job. She says, "You did a great job." How was it? I say, "It was good." I spoke English all day. It was hard. I learn new words daily. I can say full sentences. I speak with confidence. I am improving fast. I will speak more and more. It is Monday. This is my best way to improve English speaking. I want to speak clearly. I want them to understand me. I go to the cafe. I say, I am ready. I smile. I feel good. I want to practice speaking. We are good friends in class. We feel proud. I don't feel shy. I speak clearly. Our pronunciation is better today. We use English every day. I speak with each other. Some people speak fast. Say it again. My father says, "Your English is good." I say thank you. I practice English with him. He asks, "How do you practice?" I raise my hand in my class. Did it help you? Your mouth will learn new sounds. I feel excited. I want to try new skills. I live near the office. I live with a host family. They are nice. We just have a simple conversation. This is related to office work. We can do it every day. I don't care about people who look at me. I practice English in daily life because English speaking is my strength. I am free to speak English every day. I like this. I spoke with my mother. I am learning. He is my best friend. That makes me feel good. I read more and more. I read another sentences. I learn grammar without any class. When I go home, I practice English speaking sentences. This rule is easy. I worked in the office for a limited time. I go to the website. I look at the result. I am at the next level. I feel very happy. I want to learn more. His words help me a lot. I often worry about my mistakes. I have been learning English for the last 5 years. Sometimes I can't say everything fast enough, but I don't stop. I say I can. I will be faster with more practice. I learn, I improve. I always think in a positive mindset. I know everything about my perfect life. Mistakes are okay. I make many mistakes. I know this video is good. I listen to daily English storytelling. I hurry to college every day. I say this English sentence 3 times. I go to work. I can use it. It is in real life now. I feel very happy. It is a video from a reality show. I like football, so I decided to play. I answer with simple words, but I speak clearly. I feel more confident. It is about listening using your mouth in a new way. It is trying. Today is Sunday morning. I don't care about you. I still want to learn something. I sit in my room and think about today's lesson. I go to work again. I have to speak a lot. I say things like, would you like something to eat? Many people come. I already saw this in the story. I just read and noticed the changes. I copy the sentences of my teacher. I get almost all answers right. I feel good. I go to work again. My manager tells me, you are doing better every day. I smile. I think it is true. I can speak better. I can use better grammar. I am learning. We speak for 2 minutes. I feel proud. I called my friend from school. Her name is Radha. She is from Delhi. We talk on the phone for 10 minutes. We speak slowly. It is fun. I also talk to myself in English. I see a shop. I go inside. I bought a book for my English speaking practice. I speak at work. I speak to myself. Speak to yourself. You want to speak English better. It works for me. I listen and repeat. I try to say it like the speaker. I like this idea. He always says about my job. It is good to listen many times. This is called shadowing.